welcome to my channel, welcome back. So today I am going to be repotting this Phalaenopsis orchid I have here. I have it for quite some time now. As you can see, this is what it came in, and it's been out of bloom forever, and now I'm going to repot it. I'm going to repot it in semi-hydroponics. I'm going to be trying out that for the first time and see what success I'll have. Now, I've had success growing my orchids mounted, and I've had success growing it in bark, a mixture of bark and sphagnum moss, but I've seen a lot of people on YouTube grow it in semi-hydroponics, so I want to try it out. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to be repotting it from this moss to semi-hydroponics. This is the pot that I have. See the wicker and then the leca. I got the big old bag of leca at IKEA. The way semi-hydroponics work is basically you're going to fill up this with the leca, and then you're going to have some water, like maybe about right there, and then these are gonna wick the water up, and that's how it's gonna grow, and then the roots are gonna eventually grow down into the water and get acclimated to that setup. So here we go. All right, so let's begin. So I prepare my leca already. It's clean. I washed it, and I also soaked this in some water to make the removal easier. All right, so here we go. So that's what we're working with. Okay, so let's just remove this, which is the hardest part, I think, in my opinion, and very tedious. They pack a lot of sphagnum in these little things, but the sphagnum looks really good still. It doesn't look broken down. So all right, here we go. So there are some dead roots. This is the root system. You want to get off everything because it's going to be in an inorganic setup. So you want to get rid of all the organic media. So I'm going to do that, and I'm also going to wash the roots when I'm done. Let's make sure I get everything out. All right, so I am going to get my shear and clip these off, and then I'll be right back. All right guys, so here I am with my shear that I cleaned. Yeah, most of the times I try to clean it. So you want to transfer any bacteria to your orchid. So I removed most of the dead roots. So I'm gonna continue. Now you could know that they're dead because it's like papery and mushy. So like a part of this is dead. Like right here is dead, but right here is good. So I'm just gonna cut right above. And yeah. So doesn't have a lot of dead roots, but I think what's gonna happen is that once it goes in the semi-hydroponic setup, it's gonna kill off most of the good roots, while the newer roots are gonna be adapted to the water setup, that extra humid environment. All right, I think I got all of them. So there we go. So that is it. Some people spray I was gonna wash it, but I got everything off pretty good, so I'm not. But you could wash the roots. You could spray it down with hydrogen peroxide 3%, you know, to get rid of pests and bacteria and stuff like that. But I'm gonna just go ahead and pot it up. This is the lazy setup. Being lazy. All right, so there we go. All right, so this is what. Oh, let me cut the spike. The old spike was there. All right, so I want it to be on this height, so I'm gonna put some leca in the bottom. So you see. All right, so then I'm gonna like twisting the roots like gently. All right. So a lot of roots to stabilize the orchid, so that's good. I'm very excited to see how well this is gonna go for me. Excited much. All right, so there you have it. All right, so I am gonna put it in, put some water, and then I'll be right back. So this is what it looks like. All right, so this is what it's looking like. You could probably see a lot better because the lighting was not so good a while ago from the angle I had it, but this is it. So there's water in there, and then that's the wick, and then just put it in. All right, so there we have it. My first semi-hydroponics setup, Phalaenopsis. I will keep you guys updated on its progress. Hopefully I have some success. If I don't have any success with it, then I'll just put it back into my regular bark and sphagnum mixture that has never failed me yet. Are mounted. I mount them as well, like here you can see I have an orchid mounted here, and it's doing really well. Like, look at the roots, you see. So I like to mount them as well on my balcony. So I like to try different things. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a like, a big old thumbs up, and make sure you subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the progress of this little guy right here and see more content like this. Until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.